So here's my new rifle. It's a bolt action, very short action, 9 millimeter rifle with a uh, cardboard stock, and which I'll be making right now. I have to finish the barrel, fix the firing pin, which is causing little problems, but nothing too bad. And the stock is gonna be replaced. I'm gonna make a new one. This is a old stock from my M4. So there you have it, and it's practically done. I just had to fix it in the receiver, which I'll be making today, and maybe there will be some shooting videos soon. So see you guys, and thanks for watching.